Have you ever finished a walk doing what everyone calls the best exercise and still felt your legs dragging? That heaviness, that ache, like your body is working harder just to stay upright? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Walking alone isn't enough for healthy aging. There's a hidden truth most people don't know, a muscle deep in your lower leg, called your body's second heart. If it's asleep as it often is after 60, energy drains, swelling builds, and balance fades. The good news? This engine isn't gone, it's waiting to be reactivated. Number 1. Seated heel raise. If your legs feel heavy, swell by afternoon, or getting up from a chair is hard, this movement is a game changer. The soleus, a small but heroic muscle deep in your calves, pumps blood to your heart, reduces swelling, and energizes your legs. Sit tall, feet flat, knees at 90 degrees, palms on knees. Keep toes on the floor. Slowly lift heels, pause 1 to 2 seconds, then lower with control. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Number 2. Standing calf raise. Now we take that activation into standing. Standing engages your muscles under your full weight and trains your balance system. This strengthens calves, pumps stagnant blood, and boosts confidence in every step. Stand, hands lightly on a counter, feet hip width. Shift weight slightly forward, lift heels slowly, pause, then lower carefully. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Doing this twice a day drains swelling and trains your body to move with precision. Number 3. Bent knee calf raise. This targets the deep soleus, the endurance muscle responsible for stability and posture. Activating it improves balance, prevents falls, and gives quiet strength. Stand behind a sturdy chair. Shift weight onto one leg, knee slightly bent, lift heels slowly, pause, then lower. Repeat 8 to 12 times per leg. Keeping the knee bent ensures the deep soleus fires, giving real postural support. These 3 movements, seated, standing, deep activation, reconnect your legs, brain, and energy system. No gym, no equipment. Just focus and consistency.